Mama wakwaba wofre me Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Sa video na enra ye baby a ye companies no that you honum sa stretch no omo e wo honum say acho oak bibio ho
Private.
okay, Oak Barrels Private BB Mate. All right. Chipacho ene mamu akwaba preko. Na ene mate say.
Yami Addo Boko.
Me pacho wouldn't say.
Yeah, friend Elvis Blankson.
Aha, I feel Mr. Elvis Blankson.
Yes, minia.
Correct. And now but company ni your friend say bi.
Okay. Your company no, your friend Oak Barrels Private.
Oh, so omo de ba me can wash ho.
Yes.
But say for the meantime they be hwe me.
Mate.
Aha.
So your friend Oak Barrels Private Company Limited.
Okay.
This is a company senior honorable canon. Say ja ye preachy and a government and need us vision. One district, one factory.
Yes.
And in Juma buying the person de bano. Honorable Adaroma. We approach him since 2021, 2022.
Okay.
And honorable in terms of infrastructure, making sure say we get accessible road, get now electricity was really a problem because any electricity and this company should have really come into play somewhere 2023, early 2023.
Electricity.
Yes.
Say.
Now the area hono in particular, there were a lot of fluctuations.
Okay.
Yes. And I so you could honorable say factory per se because this company has been in existence for over 50 years in India. They are big also in Beirut. They have a branch here in Africa. They are in Liberia. They are in Kenya. Until 2021, and Omunya agreeing some per se they want to come and establish in Ghana.
Okay.
And if you say honorable person per se established. So we approach him.
Okay.
And he's been tremendous assistance to the establishment of the company.
Wow.
And so Mefa Kunya we so at the honorable Ase. He's been this very much support to us. The company is so much grateful to him. Anytime the IB friendly biano, honorable opportunity. And I can see that this is a beverage manufacturing company that has come to stay. We have products.
Okay, but what company anyway?
Very good.
Oak Barrels PVT Limited,
Exactly, private limited. Yes.
Okay.
So
Oak
we are
Barrels.
into manufacturing of both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages.
I see.
Some of our products are aroma beaters. Unfortunately, manfa sample samba because I was called in. Into we have aroma bitters, we have whiskey, we have non-alcoholic bitters like we have Moringa Zero, and Moringa Zero purely non-alcoholic. Okay. And you know what Moringa does. We have products for almost everybody. Okay. Both in penny 4, in color, middle age, and we have come to stay. Okay. We have come to stay.
And you are in production now?
We have started production, we have started distribution.
Oh, really?
And we are doing a lot of promotion as we speak.
And the promotion you had you may just see also.
More marketing for him
yes. Yeah, head of marketing for the honorable. Okay. On why a special envoy. Boy, ambassador plenipotentiary.
Mate. Honorable there. Why are they?
Yes.
Why part for the establishment?
It is some capacity to say.
So far, I can say the capacity we have, we are able to produce 500,000 cartons every month of each product. 500,000. Even quarter 500,000 cartons. Each brand. We have every month. Yes, and
if I say brands far, which means 2 million.
We have, as we speak, we have 16 product lines that has been licensed by FDA.
But
seven. Yeah, we have a product called Black Panther, a cola and rum. I to say wakoto ebia whiskey.
Now do we Afra?
Now they Coca-Cola Afra. I mean, very mad, like 15% alcoholic beverage. And
that's probably 50%. Wow. It's about for some more share. More than more Facebook and I say YouTube. I'm share on the screen. We need fast no any Oak Barrels Private Limited. Or more a year and Sadokodoko be any dear a no so a be and a hormone. Now the quote na best studio no Enra honorable Clement workers in the Casan Ubudin we sad it was a company honoma ya assembly no so abwa ama et me bedroom pepper sweet. You should picture no crompa honorable workers and na was saving fino. Aha or saving ma say abroad me the India for no.
Yes.
Okay. Na omudia ejirachire ntino eno na nwumbre Mr Blanks no so aba ya ono so the further and better particulars aba say me first me company na nwa mubudin no na maba na mba be chichirim enti eno ho nkomo na yeje enti on the screen on the right hand side no na eda so kama Oak Barrels but ho na wo hifa kasa na wo
yeah wa ama someone directly behind the China Mall. So
okay.
China Mall in a cheap paper.
It was on Sabin China Mall, China Mall, the Sododo. I say, who you be. So, media, where more factor may deviate Kakra. Malcolm, na, say Ghana. Every baby corner be an Malcolm Abano, a dangerous for the Ghanaian economy. She local economy, ma me foi, no more tongue. Rubber omotom panie eto handkerchiefs kakra no Malcolm abaho ama omu collapse all those small businesses China mo akese ya abey me last babaho na emu kakra kan solo enya seketo minima de kura bi ni ho je se be nipa moja o jase bobs buttons minima nails hammer chisel
into so much church of so
ayi a friend is a buttons this is atade tape measure tape
would grow
panier the pamade ni nyina moton bi enti if you get 5 of these huge in your community the regional local economy suffer. You see,
be a discussion for that day.
Me try to
Mati.
No comfort. You say, "Jomo say." Omoje dani kesi a na se wu the rope so ton bread no aje.
Usta me hu sa de no.
Enti uwre mu a omo wo sika omo nya fi sa nkrofo din na. Ndesi na wo ka no. Local market ni de gradually ni anhwe ni ya
ebeko.
De ebeka wa ye satellite market na yehu na e ma no ton banchini sa no man but no so time to time na broni bi ba besi market kesi bi no asese omunya akogum no discard na to man na sa
okay okay they are all cano I'm not supporting anybody but in a way just as honorable said no the local industry so omo pejamo in a way to some extent because so be a bakery or Tom Brodo Malcolm Fono will go and have their product and come and put it there.
Okay.
Yeah, and kasa ye comfy juice here, obeko ebio Malcolm. So our local products are also sold there. So in a way, they are supporting local products, also local industries. You know, we have to weigh both sides.
Yeah, but now me say, I was almost share where you locate
and the capacity.
I
agree with you.
That is my because I know elsewhere.
Yes.
Can you be an with their concept?
And then you are right.
I mean, they will protest.
I agree with you.
Okadoko, Omabase Omuhia about 5 acres.
Elmo.
Okay.
Okay.
Okadoko for the no say,